Phys at Home. We are going to do an activity called Frog Jump Relay. This is really going to work on your lower body strength and endurance. The equipment you need. Since we don't have cones, I have a sneaker here, and then 10 feet away, 8 to 10 feet away, I have another sneaker. Behind the sneaker, I have a basket. If you don't have a basket, you can use a cardboard box. And inside I have between 10 to 12 little toys or sock balls, okay? Then over here, since I still don't have cones, I use 5 items I found around the house. So I have a stuffed animal, a little slipper here, I have a cup, a can, and a book. And every item is about a foot away from each other, okay? And then behind this sneaker, I have an empty basket, or you can use a cardboard box, okay? Here's how you play. Okay, first a frog jump. You want to squat down low. You want to have your hands out in front of you on the ground. When you jump, you want to jump with 2 feet and land softly on your feet. Looks like this. You jump, land softly on your feet, the balls of your feet, and then use your hands to touch the floor to hold your balance. Okay? Now, here's how you play. You start next to the cone, sneaker, and you have to do 5 frog jumps across to the other side. Every jump should be next to one of the items. So, here's how it looks. Jump next to the book, jump next to the can, jump next to the cup, frog jump next to the slipper, jump next to the stuffed animal. I did my 5 jumps. I now pick up my 1 item, and now facing these 5 items, I have to zigzag around them. So zigzag, zigzag. If I bump into something, I have to fix it. Zigzag, zigzag, and then I drop it into the basket. And then I go again for another 5 jumps. Let's see how Coach Gelardi does.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I didn't make it with this one. All right. 5 points. See how you do. Man, my legs are tired. Okay? Have fun with this and try your best. And thank you for visiting the zone, the Phys at Home.